Looking for the best bookshelf speakers under $300 for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 bookshelf speakers under $300 that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a bookshelf speakers under $300 that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended bookshelf speakers under $300. Number 1 on the list is Sony SSCS5. This inexpensive set of bookshelf speakers from Sony offers impeccable audio quality. The speakers have a 3-way, 3-driver construction and feature an enlarged 5.12-inch MCR woofer unit. Together, these factors allow it to pump out bass with more clarity than almost any other speaker set we reviewed. On top of that, Sony put a lot of thought into the quality of the tweeter unit on these speakers. The 0.98-inch main tweeter features a soft dome made with polyester fiber, which reproduces mid and high-frequency sounds faithfully. There's also a super tweeter with its own 0.75-inch dome to help capture high-frequency sounds with high accuracy. Users noted that vocals sounded especially good on these speakers. The speaker cabinet is made completely from wood and strengthened to help prevent unwanted vibrations. That not only helps sound resonate from these speakers, but also ensures they'll last for years to come. Second on the list is Edifier R1700BT Bluetooth bookshelf speakers. If you're looking for a set of Bluetooth speakers for under $300, we recommend the Edifier R1700BT. This powered Bluetooth bookshelf speaker set can connect to any mobile device, computer, or smart TV wirelessly, or connect to your devices or an audio receiver using RCA cables to be used as part of a home theater system. The speakers also come with a wireless remote, so you can control your audio from anywhere in your home. This speaker set is small, boasting just 66 watts of power and a 4-inch bass unit. But don't let that fool you. Users found that these speakers are capable of producing a surprising amount of sound thanks to the resonant wooden cabinet. The speakers also support digital signals processing, which helps to reduce distortion on either end of the frequency range. Number 3 on the list is Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers. This versatile speaker set from Edifier trades power for sound quality. The speakers have just 42 watts of power, so these aren't the speakers you should choose if you plan to crank up the volume. However, if you can live with a slightly muffled sound, the audio fidelity is excellent. Users found that the bass on these speakers is deep and punchy despite the bass unit being just 4 inches in diameter. The tweeter unit is also small, just 0.47 inches, but it produces clear high-frequency notes that don't sound as airy as some other speakers. Even better, you have control over the speaker's sound reproduction. The bass and treble are fully controllable from -6 to +6 dB using control knobs on the side of the main speaker. You can also control the sound and volume from across the room using the included remote control. Number 4 on the list is Klipsch R41M bookshelf speakers. The R41M bookshelf speakers from Klipsch are surprisingly powerful for their size. They feature 200 watts of output power, roughly double any of the other comparable speakers we reviewed. Better yet, the speakers take advantage of all that power. They have a sensitivity of 90 dB, the best rating of any bookshelf speaker we looked at. The woofer unit is only 4 inches in diameter, but it's reinforced with spun copper to provide a deeper sound that resists rumbling. The tweeter unit is also quite large, at 1 inch around, and is mated to a 90 by 90 square Tractrix horn. The horn, a proprietary Klipsch design, ensures that high-frequency sound is directly aimed at the listener and reduces artificial reverb from the speaker assembly. Number 5 on the list is Polk Audio T15. the T15 speakers from Polk Audio are among the best budget bookshelf speakers on the market today. This pair of speakers costs under $70 and offers many of the same specs as our editor's choice speakers from Sony. You get 100 watts of power, a 5.25-inch bass unit, and a 0.75-inch tweeter unit. These speakers might not have a dedicated mid-range unit, but they provide excellent audio fidelity at a price that any audiophile can afford. These speakers are especially useful if you're building a home surround sound system. They can be used as front, rear, or surround speakers and are compatible with almost any audio receiver. Polk's dynamic power technology enhances low-frequency sound quality, which is good for watching movies. Just now is a list of 5 best bookshelf speakers under $300 that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.